How to connect a DVD player to your Roku TV just in some seconds from this menu. So for this, what you have to do is simply follow some genuine steps I'm showing you here right now. To connect DVD player to your Roku TV with HDMI cable, first switch off the Roku TV and DVD player, then unplug their power cords. Connect other end to your HDMI cable and one of the three HDMI jacks in the back of your side TV of your Roku TV. Once plugged in, plug the power cords to your Roku TV and DVD player, then switch them on the home screen. Select between HDMI 2, 3 or any input in which you have inserted the jack of your Roku TV. Lastly, try to insert a DVD into the DVD player. This is to test if you can now play and watch DVDs on your Roku TV through the DVD player and if they are now successfully connected. This is quite easy step. What you have to do is simply insert the DVD port to your Roku TV and then insert your cassette into the DVD player to run it. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching for the video and subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.